Here I have Samsung Galaxy A5 2017, and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. And this method works every time, even if you have the pattern or a password protection on your screen. So all you have to do is start holding the power key right here, and by holding power, let's choose restart and tap restart one more time. While your device will be restarted, you have to use the following combination of keys: the power key, the home button, and volume up. So you have to be prepared to start holding these three keys when your device will be restarting. So let me do it. Let's press power key again, tap restart again, and start holding these three keys: power key, home button, and volume up. Keep holding these keys, release them as soon as Samsung Galaxy A5 logo pops up in front of you. You can wait a couple of seconds until the Android logo pops up. And that's it. The Android no command logo pops up in front of you. So now you have to start holding the power key, and by holding power, press volume up once right here. And the device is booting into recovery mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds. That's it, the Android recovery mode just pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. As you can see here, you can reboot to bootloader, you can apply update from ADB, you can apply update from SD card, you may accomplish the hard reset operation by using wipe data factory reset, you can wipe cache partition, you can select mode and system, you may also view recovery logs or run a graphic test. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose either power off or reboot system now. Let me choose reboot system now and press power key to confirm it. The device is simply rebooting and restarting into a normal mode, so you have to just wait a few seconds. If you have a PIN, you can enter your PIN, and now the home screen just pops up, so now you can use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.